Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to select multiple files in the laptop or PC. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So I will show you the 4 methods. So by following that method you can easily select multiple files in the laptop or PC. So first method is that, and hold your mouse in the lower side and drag to upward. So guys, in this way you can see all files will be selected easily. So second method is that, hold and press Ctrl button and then select A. So guys, in this way you can also select multiple files in the PC or laptop. So another method is that, press Shift options. So after that select the file. So in this way all selected files will be marked. So if you want to select more files, then click on it, and in this way when you will hold Shift options and then select all files according to you. So guys, in this way you can select all files according to you. So I will show you the another method. So another method is that if you want to select specific files, then you should press Control options and then select your files according to you. So guys, in this way you can select specific file by pressing Control options and then select your files. So guys, in this way you can select specific files in the laptop or PC. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.